Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and here are my views in fewer than two. Old technology. You have it, admit it, but do you get rid of it? Do you hold on to it? Do you hold on to it for no reason other than to just accrue clutter? Well, here are things that you could do to repurpose or upcycle your old technology. Your webcam that you currently have attached to your computer probably sucks. Most webcams do. But your smartphone, your old smartphone, is probably better than any webcam that you can currently buy. So repurpose your old smartphone technology specifically as webcams connected to a computer. Another thing that you can do if you have an old laptop or a desktop computer that was running Mac OS or Windows, and let's say it's just completely out of date in terms of service and speed, possibly upgrade it to Chrome. You can install Google ChromeOS on your old systems, and they could run faster than they might have run in quite a while. Another way you can repurpose old technology, and these are just my ideas, you may have more, you can leave a comment below or above or wherever the hell this video happens to be on a page or a screen. Speaking of screens, that's the third way. An old monitor you got behind. Oh, this is a new monitor, relatively new. You can repurpose it as a photo frame. Let me try that again. You could repurpose it as a photo frame, a digital photo frame. If you love Lord of the Rings, you can put photo on there like 24/7. Photo frames, ChromeOS, webcams. You can totally reuse your old technology and make it just like new